Hi guys, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press back with a quick Canva tutorial. I had a question came up from one of my customers inquiring about the inability to change the orientation of a picture. So I wanted to show you a quick and easy way how you can change your image's orientation. So these are a couple of little journal cards that I have. And if you notice, if I drop an image in there, it's going horizontal versus portrait. And if you wanted your images actually to be portrait, all you would need to do is simply click on your image, bring it out, use this little circle here, and rotate your image around and position it however you like inside of the frame. Okay, here's another example. This one's going horizontal. If I wanted to change it, I can simply bring it out, use my rotate wheel, and then I can simply reposition her inside the frame how I like. And just like that, I have changed the orientation of my image. And you can do this inside of most all of your Canva frames. You can change the orientation of your photos if they're not the way you would like. Okay, I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. See you next time. Bye-bye.